For a certain reason, medyo napapaaga po ang ating season of Head and Shoulders. As you all know, na meron naman po akong sinusunod nito na tinitest ko ang mga Head and Shoulders at tinitingnan kung ito ba yung Head and Shoulders na saan mataas ang success rate natin. Well, as you've seen, medyo hindi po ako nakapag-upload ng video for the reason nga po ay hindi pa pumapasa, no? Hindi pumapasok yung iba, pumapasok sa 5 confirmation but yet natatalo. Now again, I don't know what happened. As always, medyo complicated ang currency at hindi natin ma-explain. What I know is pumapasa na po. So here we are now. I'm gonna discuss again a strategy of mine at matagal na po natin ginagawa to. Matagal na po itong naka-load. I have a dozens of video regarding this, but since ito po talaga ang winning strategy ko, and I'm going to share it also sa inyo. Now, I have picked the AUD CAD. At 4 hours time frame, as you can see this, nakikita ko po yung divergent dito. Diba? The left shoulder, yan, mas mababa yan kaysa sa head. Which is, dito sa chart, yung candlestick, mas mababa yung head. But, dito naman sa MACD na, mas mababa siya compared to, mas ahead siya, no? Mas mababa ang left shoulder compared to the head. Dapat sana hindi ganon. But since nangyari na ganyan ang sistema, meaning to say, nagkaroon ng divergent. Now, bakit ito ang napili ko? Kasi it's a perfect strategy. It's a perfect system. No? First, ito yung trade natin last week, which is na-form natin yung ABCD. Diba? Last week, we have a catch from this mula dito hanggang pababa. Then ngayon, as you can see, meron pong parallel po na nangyari. Diba? After that, nag-break siya dito sa parallel. Meaning to say, it's preparing to go up. But as always, alam naman po natin, no, Head and Shoulders is a reversal pattern. So, ito, malaki ang chance natin na this will be the start of the reverse dahil po, aside from the break na niya yung parallel, nag-retrace pa siya. Now, this retracement, may sukat po tayo dito na kung susukatin naman natin, that is the 618. Lumampas na nga siya ng 618. Meaning to say, applicable naman ang another ABCD pattern dito that will complete the Head and Shoulders. Ayan. Good. Yan ang the most probably we will have to catch, no? Kailangan natin mahanap kung saan tayo mag-uumpisa dito na area. Yan. Now, here's the thing. Dapat, no, in order for this to push through into that pattern, into ABCD and a formal Head and Shoulders with starting on the right shoulder, dapat po etong candlestick na to ay hindi dapat mas malalim sa head. Or else, masisira yung pattern natin. So, pag nag-bounce back siya, hindi mas malalim sa head, meaning to say, there's a big chance for the forming of the right shoulder na ang trade natin ngayon papuntang where? Pataas. Ganon. Again, I will be strictly following the 5 confirmation. Kung in case hindi nyo po alam yon, marami po yan makikita nyo sa pattern ko doon sa YouTube channel ko. Visit my YouTube channel. You will really understand what are the 5 confirmations na sinasabi ko. In fact, ang first confirmation ng na binanggit ko doon is nangyari na, which is what? The retracement of 0.618. Yan, nag-retrace na siya. Lumampas pa. And after that, we will find the, the start rejection point. When meron ng rejection point, that's the time we will confirm it and reduce it to 15 minutes para ma-confirm natin ang breakout. So again, ang strategy ko po ay combination po ito ng pattern at using Fibonacci na sukatan at of course the breakout and fractal, no? So these are, marami po to na kinumbine ko into 5 for confirmation, at once yan lahat ma-fit, then we are going to trade. So makikita nyo, no? The most cases probably what we are seeing here is the safest is at around 111 pips. But the ideal is mapupunta ng 156 pips. Yan po ang aabangan natin next week. We just hope, no? We just hope na susundin ng market ang ating pattern. See, kaya po I really love to trade head and shoulders kasi dito I'm waiting for the pattern to fit, no? To do what I want them to do. Pag ginawa nila yon, at that's the time I trade. Now, this goes also for the second pattern at nakita naman natin on the 4 hours time frame of EuroCAD ulit. So, mapapansin mo, yung una, AUD CAD, ito, EuroCAD, meron din pong divergent at na-form ng head and shoulders. Dito pa lang, hindi pa lang nga pumasa sa first confirmation, which is 618. So, we still have to wait for this. Depende na next week. And lastly, ito naman, nag-form naman po ito ng divergent head and shoulders if makikita natin sa 4 hours time frame. Ayan. So, that's it for the next week, and hopefully po, join me in trading. I will be updating in every move, no? Like always, makikita nyo po ang trade ko sa fan page ko on the Facebook, no? How to trade Forex. And you will see this explanation. You will have a lot of explanation regarding my strategy on my YouTube channel. So please do subscribe and click that subscribe button and the bell para po ma-notify kayo. Maraming salamat po, Uling Cyril. I'm happy to be back since pumapasa na at since maaga yata. I really don't know yet, but hopefully ituloy-tuloy na ito. For the reasons, we have a positive result, no, last week. No, napakaganda ng result natin. Although I have cut it short, ang exposure natin ng pag-trade natin. But then again, we have a positive result last week. Yan, ito po yung resulta natin last week. So, looking forward for this week's trade. Pinost ko rin yan sa fan page ko. Doon na po kayo. Kung may katanungan, you could chat me there, or you could comment on the post, or you could visit my YouTube channel. Maraming salamat po, Uling Cyril.